Welcome, my dear students, for online class from Manikeswar Model High School. Dear students, now I am going to discuss on English second paper for the SSC students. Today's topic: changing sentence, Rashtriya Board 2016. Going to next step. Notice carefully. Question A. Once upon a time, two friends were passing by a forest complex. You have to change into complex. Question: is this sentence simple or compound? Dear students, notice carefully. Only one subject, one finite verb in this sentence, and this sentence is introductory sentence. So, such a sentence, while changing into complex, you have to come introductory there. Firstly, you have to write there. The students, first you have to write once upon a time. ONS, CEONS, UPON upon a TIME time. Dear students, if you find this structure, such a structure, such a introductory sentence, while changing into complex, you have to come who is that. First, you have to write once upon a time, and then you have to set there. TACRE there, and then you have to be verb was where. This subject is plural, so you have to set where. WERE where, and then you have to write subject TWO2 FRIENDS, friends, and then you have to write WHO who, because this subject is personal pronoun, personal noun, personal subject, personal one. So you have to set who according to the personal subject, according to the subject, and then you have to write next part of this sentence, next part, were passing by a forest, were passing by a forest. After two friends, after subject, WERE were, PASSING passing, BY by a, FOREST forest, passing by a forest. Dear students, this sentence has been complex. This is and this is a structure. There plus beaver or lived or receipts plus subject. If you find this structure, you have to come who is that. You have to come who is that in the complex sentence. Firstly, you have to write once upon a time, and then you have to set there, and you have to set auxiliary verb according to the subject, and then you have to write who, and then you have to write next part of this sentence after subject. Dear students, you can change into simple to complex by using this formula. Going to next step, question B. They were talking about their love for each other. Interrogative. Dear students, you have to change into interrogative. Firstly, you have to bring auxiliary verb before subject. Question: is there any auxiliary verb in this sentence? Yes, my dear students, auxiliary verb where. So you have to bring subject, you have to bring auxiliary verb before subject. And then the if the sentence is affirmative, you have to change into negative. If the sentence is negative, you have to change into affirmative while changing into interrogative sentence. Dear students, first you have to write where. where, and as the sentence is affirmative, so you have to add nt with where, nt with where, in brief. TACY where, sorry, and then you have to write next part of this sentence, and then you have to write subject and next part of this sentence. Talking, they talking about their love for each other. TALKKING, talking, ABOUT, about, THEIR, there, LOVE, love, for, EACHOTACR, and then you have to set question marks at the end of the sentence. Dear students, weren't they talking about their love each other? This sentence has been changed into interrogative. You can change into interrogative by using this formula. Going to next step. Suddenly they saw a bear which was coming towards them. Simple. Dear students, you have to change into simple. Question: is this sentence complex or compound? Notice carefully, there is a conjunction of complex which there is a conjunction which it is used in the complex sentence. It is used in the complex sentence. Which, the students, if you find which beaver plus beyond plus ing, that is to say continuous tense. Firstly, you have to write principal clause. Suddenly they saw a bear. You can write SUDDENTLY. Suddenly suddenly TACY they SAW saw a BEAR bear, and then you have to delete or cut or paint through which and be verb, which and be verb, and then you have to write next part of this sentence coming towards them. You have to write coming towards them after which plus be verb, after which plus be verb. COMING coming, TOWARDS towards, TACM them. Dear students, easily this sentence has been changed into simple. Going to next step. Question D. The first friend climbed up a tree. Complex. Dear students, question: is this sentence simple or compound? Simple or compound? Notice carefully, only one subject, one finite verb in this sentence. So this sentence is simple sentence. And this was another notice formula. The first friend, this is subject, climbed up a tree, predicate. If the predicate qualifies subject, you have to use it is. You have to use it is or it was. The students, first you have to write it is, it is FIRST first, FRIEND first friend. It is the first friend. This will notice this sentence is past simultaneous. So you can use it was. WAS, it was the first friend who, you have to come who is dead, and it is used after subject. WHO, who. Here, who is used after subject because subject, the first friend is personal one. So, who is used, who has been used this subject. And then you have to write next part of this sentence. Next part, climbed up a tree. You can write climbed up a tree. CLIMBED, climbed, UP, up a TRWT. It was the first friend who climbed up a tree. Dear students, Bengali meaning, এটা ছিল প্রথম বন্ধু যে গাছে চড়েছিল. Going to next step. Question E, the latter could not climb up a tree. Affirmative. Dear students, if you find could not, while changing into affirmative, you have to set was unable, is or is was, amateur plus unable instead of could not. As the sentence is past tense, so you have to use was after subject. Firstly, you have to write subject. TACD later. And then you have to write was, WAS was, UNABLE unable. This is formula. If you find could not, cannot, could not, you have to set unable, was unable, is unable, were unable. If subject is plural, you have to set were unable. But the subject is singular, so you have to set was unable. And the instead of could not, you have to write next part, climb up a tree. The letter was unable to, you have to set was unable to instead of could not. And then you have to write next part, climb up a tree. CLIMB, climb, UP up, a TRWT. Dear students, in this way, you can change into affirmative. If you find this formula in a sentence, you can use this formula. If Going to next step. He did not find any way passive. He did not find any way passive. Dear students, you have to change into passive. You know the rules of passive. Dear students, firstly, you have to identify subject, verb, principal, auxiliary verb, principal verb, and object. Question: is there any auxiliary verb in this sentence? You have guessed there is auxiliary verb in this sentence. Dear students, auxiliary verb did, and this sentence is negative, did not. If you find did not while changing into passive, you have to set extra what, was, were instead of did not. As it is auxiliary verb, so subject is used before auxiliary verb. Here subject he, and find principal verb any way. This is subject. As a principal verb is used after auxiliary verb, and object is used after principal verb. So anyway, object. The students, according to the rules of voices, firstly you have to set subject, you have to set subject as object instead of any way. Here subject anyway, object anyway, subject A-N-Y anyway, W-A-Y anyway. As it is noun, so you have to set anyway. And then you have to set extra what instead of did not. You have to set extra what, was not, W-A-S-N-O-T, was not, and then you have to set B3 instead of find. B3 found, find, found, F-O-U-N-D, found. And then you have to set by, 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 because subject is personal. So you have to set object instead of he. Object him, H-I-M, him. Any way was not found by him. Dear students, this sentence has been changed into passive. You can change into passive by using this formula according to the rules of voices. Question G. He lay down. He lay down on the ground and feigned death. Feigned death. He lay down on the ground, feigned death, and feigned death. Dear students, you have to change into simple. Question: is this sentence compound or complex? Dear students, carefully notice there is a conjunction and in this sentence. This conjunction is used in the compound sentence. So this sentence is compound sentence. This sentence is compound one. Dear students, there are two finite verbs and two subject. So if you find two principal verb, you have to come V1 plus ing while changing into simple sentence. The students, firstly, you have to write lying down on the ground. Lying. Lying, lying, DOW and down, on the GROUND, ground. Dear students, notice carefully, as the subject is same, so no subject after and then you have to delete and, you have to cut and you have to set comma. You have to set subject, he is he, and then you have to write next part, friend death after end. Find, FEIGNED, find, DEATH, death, find death, lying on the ground, he found death. The students find death. In this sentence has been changed. This sentence has been changed into simple. The students, you can change into simple from compound. You can change into compound to simple by using this formula, V1 plus ing. Going to next step. Question is, the bear smelled his ears, nose and face. The bear smelled his ears, nose and face. Passive. The students, you have to change into passive. Firstly, you have to identify, you have to select subject, verb, subject, auxiliary verb, principal verb, and object. Question, is there any auxiliary verb in this sentence? Perhaps there is no. Perhaps you have thought there is no auxiliary verb in this sentence. Dear students, notice carefully, the bear subject is smelled verb, his ears, nose and face, object. Firstly, you have to bring object. You have to set subject instead of object. The students, as the object is noun, you have to set noun as subject. Object, the students, you can write HIS, his, EARS, has, NOS, nose, and face, face. As there is no auxiliary verb, so you have to go to next step and you have to set extra word. Dear students, this verb is B2, so you have to bring was were. This subject is plural, so you have to set were. W-E-R-E were, and then you have to write B3 instead of B2. The students is smelt. B2 and B3 are same. So you have to write S-M-E-L-T, smelt. And then you have to set by, B-Y by, and then you have to set object instead of subject. As the subject is noun, so you have to set noun as object. The BEAR, bear. Dear students, this sentence has been passive. Next step, question I. He was thought to be dead. He was thought to be dead. Complex. Dear students, this sentence is principal and this sentence is passive. But while changing into complex, you have to write active. But where is subject? The students, the bear is subject in this sentence. So first you have to write subject. The bear, B-E-A-R, bear, and then you have to set according to the tense. You have to cut was and you have to set think, thought. Think, thought. You have to set thought, B2. T-H-O-U-G-H-T, thought. And then you have to set that, T-H-A-T, that, and you have to set subject. You have to cut to be means am is or was or. So this sentence is past tense. So you have to set was or instead of to be. And then you have to write subject he, A-C, he. You have to set was, W-A-S, was, and then you have to write dead, D-E-A-D, D-E-A-D, D-E-A-D. Students, in this way you have to change into complex. Going to next step, question G. Another sentence. Dear students, notice another sentence you have to change into complex. Very interesting. The bear went away and he escaped himself. Dear students, question, is this sentence compound or simple? You have guessed perhaps this sentence is compound sentence because there is a conjunction in this sentence and. It is a conjunction of compound. It is a conjunction of compound. So you have to come as while changing into complex, because there is two finite verbs in this sentence. There are two finite verbs in this sentence, subject, two subject and two finite verb. Two subject and two finite verb in this sentence. So you have to come as in the complex sentence. First you have to write ASS, and then you have to write the before where went away before end. You have to write next part of this clause before end. The students, you can write TAC the BEAR bear, WENT went, WAWAY away, and then you have to set comma instead of end, and you can write next part of this sentence. You have to write next part of this sentence. He ESCAPED escaped, HIMSELF. Dear students, this sentence has been changed into complex. By using this formula, you can change into complex from compound in this way, and this is very easy. Dear students, my dear students or viewers, if you like my teaching, if you like my channel, if you are benefit, you must subscribe my channel. You must share my channel if you are benefit. Dear students, see you next time. Thank you very much, and wait for another video